Hello watcher and subscriber. In this tutorial we will see how many vowels are present in particular sentence. So our code is very simple, and as here you must be knowing about the vowel. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Total 5 vowels are there, and if they are present in particular sentence, we will check it and we will count that number of vowels. So that is our task in this program. So straight away I will take one input statement. So I am here writing one variable SCN, stands for sentence here right now, and we will directly take input method because we are going to enter the string value. So here we will write message enter any sentence. Okay, so our message is enter any sentence, and by reading this message user will enter any sentence or any word. Then after that our task is to convert that sentence into the small letter. Suppose while entering, suppose anyone is typing sentence and first letter is capital, so we want to convert into the lower case. So for that we will write here scn dot lower, and then we will assign to particular variable. So that variable is right now here I am taking string, and then string variable will hold all the lowercase letter. Okay, so here in the program, suppose our sentence is Suraj. Okay, so first one is capital, so here the output will be in all lowercase character. Got it? And then our next step is that here in this program we will define one list and we will define all the vowels. So you can use for that single or double quote. So here I use 5 character A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. And for counting number of variables we need simple counter variable. I am using C, and it will count the number of vowels. So C equal to 0, that you have to initialize in the program, and then I have to take one loop which will contain your sentence. Okay, so in that for loop I will write one variable, suppose char in string. So the meaning is that this char variable taking one character from the string. Suppose the string value is Suraj, so it will take first yes, then U, then R, then A and J, like that. And then here we will produce one condition if that variable char in L or not. It means that the first character, it will take the character S and it will check whether it is present in that list or not. So it is not present, and if it is present then we have to write the code here. If it is present we will simply increase the value of counter variable by 1. Okay, and then I want to print this value at the end, so it will count number of vowels. So here the message is number of vowels, and here we have to use the variable C. So I just explained this code once again. Now this character will take one character from that Suraj string, and if statement will check it whether it is in list or not. If it is in list, counter value is increased. If it is not in list, it is not, this statement is not executed. So first we check whether we are getting expected output or not. So enter any sentence. So here I give the colon for understanding and space. And here I am writing my name. So number of vowels, that is U and A. So number of vowels are 2 and it is correct. I am doing some modification. So here I can print also this string value for your better understanding. Now we check the output. So it will convert into the lowercase and number of vowels are 2. You can do it for more than one word. Suppose here I am writing hi Suraj. So H will be in smaller case and number of vowels will become 3. And if you are having confusion here, I just write here print statement, and in that print I am passing this char so that you can understand the logic. And here I am passing C variable. So now here I just show you how it is working. Enter the sentence. So you can see the flow. First S is there. So as you know here, the S is present in the string, but in the condition it is not present in that list. Okay, so as it is not present in the list, it is not executing this statement. So the counter value is not coming here, that is yes, because yes is not vowel. Then next is U. U is vowel, so it is present in that list. So this statement is executed C equal to C plus 1 and C is incremented by 1. So C value will be 1. R is not vowel, then A is vowel, so it is present in the list. So counter value will be changed by 1, so it is 2 and it will print that output statement. Then after RA there will be J, it is not present in the list, so in this way it will work out. So I have removed the sentence which I have added, that is print char and print C here. So once again we go for the output. Now it will show only one vowel. So in this way you have to do this simple code for checking vowels are present in the string or not.